Okay, time to take a look at the ULIBERMAGNET Heavy Duty Clip-On Belt Magnet Holder. So the first thing I noticed right away is that this is all metal with a rubber pad on it. So this is a heavy-duty piece of equipment. This is not plastic like I was expecting. It looks like if we wanted to, we could unbolt this clip and we could just use it as a flat magnet. So we could use that just for holding screws and that kind of thing, just by laying it on the table. But this clip is actually flat enough that we could lay it on the table and we could use it as is. I think the cooler thing about that, though, is that because this is threaded, we could actually use those threads and we could bolt this onto other equipment. So it is already ready to go for modifications. That is actually pretty, well, very strong magnet as well. Jeez Louise. Okay, so we have a thick rubber pad on there. It's got that little hexagon texture on there, which is pretty cool. But that's going to help, so if you've got tools that are kind of delicate and you don't want to get them scratched up, that's still going to be able to hold that, no problem. Wow. Yeah. All right. Yeah. That's pretty cool.